In this tutorial I will show you how to fix lag in Minecraft Mobile or Pocket Edition. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Lag can seriously disrupt your gaming experience, so let's go through a few simple settings that can reduce it. To get started, pause the game by tapping the three lines at the top of the screen, then open Settings. On the left side, scroll down to General and tap on Video. Now, scroll down until you reach the graphics options. Turn beautiful skies and smooth lighting off. These features look nice, but they can cause lag on low-end devices. Next, scroll down again and find Render Distance. If this is set too high, it can use a lot of resources and cause lag. Lower it as much as possible, or keep it at a moderate level if you prefer. Make sure frame rate is set to unlimited. Limiting the frame rate can sometimes make the game feel less smooth. These changes should help make Minecraft run much smoother on mobile devices.